Hey everybody, we are starting the year off of picking wheat, or maybe I should say we're starting to pick wheat this year. We've already done one field, and we are doing the next field now, and it is slow going. I'll have to spin my hand around. So he's taking a 30-foot head. As you can see, it's a Case International 9250. Or you might not be able to see because this windshield is dirty. And he just unloaded it. Probably wasn't full, so we're gonna say it's probably 300 bushels. It'll hold about 375, maybe 400 if it can really pile up. And we're not keeping the straw because in our area the straw market is not good, and you have to wait about a year in order for it to sell. So we get it turned over, we cut it as low as we can, and chop it up with the knives in the back. And this is all going to be lima beans, so it'll probably get disked, chisel plowed, and then land starred, maybe land-alled again, or disked again, all depending on what it looks like. And we've got another one which is about 3 years older than that one, but basically identical going. And I'm just going around the pivot here, and I'm gonna wait on the other end for this guy over there. Then I dump it on let me turn you around. Then I dump it on a truck. The truck goes to the grain bins at the farm, and it'll be dried if it needs to, and then stored till we can sell it. Usually it'll sell in December, January, and February is usually when we sell it. And my brother is the one who's unloading trucks. My cousin was in the combine that you saw unloading. And then we have one hired hand who's not family who's driving the other combine. Other than that, basically everyone on the farm, except for temporary help, is related. So, yep, I'm just gonna go sit over there. And I've got the 9460 hooked up to our grain cart. I forget the model number. It doesn't say, but it is a JM. I want to say it's like a, I don't know. It holds about 1,000 bushels anyway. It holds a truck at a time. So if the combines are right full, I usually get 3 combine loads and pick them on the go, and then dump on a truck. But since wheat isn't, as fruitful as corn or something, it's going to take about 5 loads from the combines to fill the cart up. Then I go dump it on a truck, and that's sort of it. So I think we're staying out here to 9 o'clock tonight, or until it gets too damp to harvest the wheat. That's when the straw just sort of accumulates the moisture that's in the air, and because of that dampness, it doesn't really shred very well, and when it goes through the machine, it just is tougher and plugs the machine up a little bit. Alright, you all have a good day or night or whatever it is when you're watching this video. See ya.